way of
pressing it down with your finger, right?
Yeah, including.
Two young homeowners called H&R Block Mortgage about our free debt reduction analysis. Lee and Frank didn't have enough money to pay their bills, so I showed them how they could have a whole new beginning. Our debt reduction analysis showed them how they could use an asset they already had, their home, to
Please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for eastern Sarasota County in Florida until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado over eastern Sarasota County, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The tornado will affect rural eastern Sarasota County. If caught outside, move into a sturdy building. As a last resort, seek shelter in a culvert, ditch, or low spot, and cover your head with your hands.
Special at my place. Chuck E. Cheese's.